In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneNote. Let's start by opening OneNote and signing in with your Microsoft account through Microsoft 365. Once you're in, give it a moment to sync your notebooks with OneDrive. You'll know it's ready when your notes and sections appear. If anything looks out of date, just wait a few seconds while it finishes syncing. Before we do anything else, it helps to understand how OneNote is organized. Think of it like a physical binder. A notebook is the big binder, such as work or personal. Inside each notebook are sections, which act like dividers or tabs, for example, clients or meetings. Within a section, you create individual pages where your actual notes live. A simple example might be a notebook called Work, a section called Client A, and pages named Tasks and Notes. Now let's create your first notes. Click Add Page, give the page a clear title at the top, then click anywhere on the canvas and start typing. OneNote uses a free-form layout, so you can click to create text boxes anywhere, drag them around, and arrange your thoughts in whatever way makes sense. To stay organized, use tags. They're quick labels that make items easy to track. Press Ctrl+1 to add a to-do checkbox, Ctrl+2 to mark something as important, and Ctrl+3 to flag a question. Tags are perfect for tasks, follow-ups, and priorities, and they make it easy to review what needs attention later. When you want to add more than text, go to the Insert tab. From there, you can bring in images, tables, links, files, and screenshots. This turns a page into a central hub, so meeting notes, reference documents, and visuals all live together in one place. You can also connect related notes. Right-click any page, choose Copy Link to Page, and paste that link wherever you need it. This is great for building a simple dashboard page with quick links to your most used sections and notes. Finding information is fast. Press Ctrl+F to search within the current page, or Ctrl+E to search across all notebooks. Type a keyword, and OneNote will jump you right to the relevant spot. As your content grows, keep it tidy with sections and section groups. Right-click to create a new section, drag sections to reorder them, and use section groups to bundle multiple sections under a larger project. Everything syncs automatically through OneDrive, so you can access your notes from your laptop, phone, or tablet. Just sign in with the same account on each device. Finally, try a simple daily workflow. Create a page called Today's Tasks. Add to-do tags for each item, check them off as you finish, and move anything unfinished to the next day to keep momentum going.